Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Davide and yes, I'm wearing a hat because I could not be bothered to do my hair today since we are still in lockdown, babes. Today we're gonna baking and testing a gluten-free bread. We're gonna recreate a recipe I found on Tasty Japan and we're gonna make it gluten-free. Should we give it a try? Let's go. The bread tastes absolutely delicious! And before leaving, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Let me know what recipe should I recreate next. See you next time. Peace!